Okay, your waiting is finally over. I'm using Claude Opus 4.8 totally free. Many of you have commented in my previous video and asked we need Claude Opus 4.8 for free, and this video is for you guys. In today's video, I will show you how you can use Claude Opus 4.8 totally free in your Visual Studio Code and in your terminal, where you can get $25 per day credit for free. And this model is quick as well. You can see it will respond in 4 seconds, 6 seconds. Let's get started. Go to your favorite browser and search for Agent Router, where Agent Router provide us 125 initial credit to use Claude Opus for free. And you can get $25 per day as a bonus. And if you want, you can refer and earn as well. Refer to your friend and family. You can reward it and you can easily use it. Watch this video carefully. Okay. After that, go to the sign in section here. In Agent Router, you can't use Google and email as authentication method. It didn't support. And if you are using GitHub and your GitHub account is more than 1 month older, then only you are eligible to use it. Okay. Or if you have Linux do, then you can also continue with it as well. Other than that, there will be no any option to use this platform. Okay. Continue with GitHub, authorize agent router org. Then you are landed here in the agentrouter.org console section. I am forget to mention one thing. After you have successfully create your account, you can get 125 balance, and every day you can get $25 free balance, and you can earn it from invitation as well. You can create your invitation link from here. Through your invitation link, if someone create account, then you can also get $100. Okay, how much awesome is it? Before using it, I will show you the documentation section, what it will mention, where you can implement it in many platforms just like Coin, OpenCode, OpenClaw, and Claude Code. In today's video, we are going to implement it in the Claude Code. This is the base URL. This is the Anthropic model that we are going to use. Before use it, you need to install something, which is Node.js. Before using it, in your system, Node.js will be required. Check if Node is already installed or not. If version will be reflected, then it will confirm Node will be installed in your system. If not, then install it. Okay. Then next you need to install Claude Code. Again check it. Does Claude will be installed in your system or not? If not, then install it. If version will be reflected, which means Claude Code will be already in your system. After that, you are ready to use it. After you have installed Claude Code, .claude folder will be created in your directory. Then you need to open it. We need to configure agent router inside the setting.json file. Then how you can open your .claude folder? I'll show you the easiest way. First, open your Visual Studio Code or Anti-Gravity, whatever editor that you are currently using. Then if you are using for Windows, then type Ctrl-Shift-P. If you are using for Mac, then type Command-Shift-P, and you need to install code command in your path. Type shell command, install code command in path, and install code command in your path to use code command from the terminal. After you have installed it, get back to the terminal and type code path.claude folder, which means it will open .claude folder inside the Visual Studio Code. If you are confused, what does it mean? This will be the code. This will be the directory. Open .claude folder that will be available in any directory. Press enter. Now Visual Studio Code will be open. If you are using it for the first time, setting.json file will not be here. Then create it. Give the name setting.json. Then we will follow the instruction. Here it will provide. You can easily copy it from here as well, or I will provide this code in the video description. You can get it from there. First, copy this base URL from here. Copy this base URL and paste it in Anthropic base URL. Next, we have required the Anthropic model. Choose any model that you are want to. If you want to use Claude Opus 4.6, choose it. 4.8, choose it. If you want 4.7, choose any one of these. I am going to use Claude Opus 4.8. In Anthropic model section, I will paste it Claude Opus 4.8. Same thing on model section here. After that, Anthropic API key, leave it empty, and we have required the Anthropic auth token. Now we will create the token from agent router. From here, you can create your token. Click on create token section here. Give the name, any name that you want. I'll give free opus. You can set token group. I'll make it default. set the expiration date. I'll set it for 1 hour only for the tutorial purpose, and set it 1. New quantity will be not matter, and set the quota, which means after you have spent $1 it will not work. Then make it unlimited or set your limit according to your balance. You can restrict any model from here as well. You can get access of GPT 5.5, GLM 5.2, Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Opus 4.7 and Claude Opus 4.6. Submit here and copy this token and replace it here. Now you are ready to use. After that, we have completed each and every process. Let's try it here. Does it work or not? I'm sure it will be working. I have already tried it. Claude, type Claude and press enter. If you are using it for the first time, then it will show custom API will be detected. Give permission, then you are landed it here. And this is the Claude Opus 4.8. Let's verify does it work or not. Working perfectly. I will show you by creating one simple project. I will ask them to create the one snake game. Can you create the one? Here, I want to test it by creating one simple project. Then I will give prompt, can you create a one fully functional snake game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript only. Let's see how much time it will take, and we will see its performance as well. It will mention I will create a one complete snake game in a single HTML file. Now it will be completed in 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let's see how is it look. Again, I will give instruction. Can you run this snake game? Yes. Okay. This is the snake game. Let's play. Now it will good. I like it. Means it will working perfectly and its performance is also good. At the same time, it will complete this snake game within the 2 minutes. Okay, by this way, you can easily use this agent router in your daily coding tasks. Okay, and another things that I want to show you, it will only takes my 3 credit to complete this one snake game. Can you imagine? If you can get $25 every day and your login balance is $125, then it will be sufficient for you. Okay, this is the golden opportunity for you to use Claude Opus and other Anthropic model. If you want, you can also use GLM model as well. If you can use GLM model, then this balance is more than sufficient for you. Okay, that's it for today's video. We will meet you on the next video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding.